Now let's show everybody how we make noodles.
These?
Yeah.
Fire what?
Yeah, fireball. So then, I mean.
You call me daddy.
Yeah. So let's get started, everyone. But you gotta like to my video.
Yeah, she needs you to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, look, I got some spicy
What's the name of those noodles?
And I got some boba.
It's called, she wanted
boba
and spicy noodles.
Yeah, with my boba. And
it's called Firewalk.
And then I got some boba.
This is what she about to try as a mukbang.
Yeah. Guys, are you ready to see how my noodles look like? Let's go, everybody.
Here's your bowl. Here.
Look, everybody.
That's the bowl.
Up.
You want to smash them up, or you want to crunch them, or you just want to eat them like this?
No.
You want to open it like this?
That's all right, everybody. Look, I have my bowl for my noodles.
Let me see, Taylor.
Look, guys. You see it?
Oh, this how they look. But wait, where is the
season?
Yeah. Uh-oh, they didn't give you any seasoning.
Oh! Wait, Mom, you see?
Uh-oh, here we go. Ta-da! Seasoning. It says seasoning on it, too.
Let's put even more spicy because I love spice.
I don't know why Taylor loves to eat spicy noodles, but...
Yeah, but I'm vegan.
I need to break these up a little bit more for her. Now, this is how it looks so far. And we're going to add water. Here, pour your water.
Be careful. Alright, guys. Look.
Oh, are we doing this right, Taylor?
Yeah!
No, I don't think we're doing this right. It says... Oh, wait. Oh, well, we already started it.
Alright, everybody, wait for 30 minutes because it's about to be done by the time. So you gotta wait for 5 minutes. And it's almost done. So look, I got 30 minutes to be waiting. Look, it's so spicy. I got the spicy. It says too spicy because you gotta calm down. I got my little boba product. It's my favorite product, but it's done, guys. Let's eat some, guys. Alright, guys. Are you ready?
What does that mean? Chinese or anything?
No. So dang. Making a video. You want some? All right, here. Mommy, somebody wanted my noodles, but I got them some.